Rude boy business.
Yeah, yeah, rude boy. J. Cole, I got you. Let's go. Rude mix. And you used to try to say these hoes. Santa Claus, I'm trying to slay these hoes. So these women got some problems and I ain't got time to solve them for that. I got issues of my own. So many wanna be a nigga lady. So many wanna have a nigga baby. Some heard that I'm a dog off the chain. Just up for the challenge, wanna see if they can turn me. Better watch it, might find an amazing AB. No Eminem, but most of these women shady. But know the difference between a hoe and a lady. Is she a bucket or you got you a Mercedes? For what you done, what have you done for me lately? For what you done, what have you done for me lately? That's what these hoes be on, yeah. That's what these hoes be on. Cause when that money dry up and that buzz cool down, nigga run like Jenny Forrest Gump out of luck. And now